Hi, and welcome to VicteliB TV. My name is Lori Patterson, and I'm going to bring you the business around fitness. We have a question today, and our question today comes from Joe. And Joe's question is, what are the benefits of me outsourcing my fee-based program? Well, Joe, that's a great question, and we're going to share with you today some questions to ask yourself and your staff to see if outsourcing is the best for you. Firstly, look at your staff. Do you have someone on staff who can manage an entire fee-based program and create one? And remember, you can't take a free class and slap on a price tag. Your members won't like it, they'll be angry, and they will not pay for it. So make sure that you can find someone within your organization that can create a fee-based program for you. If not, then consider outsourcing. Look for a company that has a fee-based program that's already created so you won't have to find someone within your organization to create it. Secondly, look at your financials. So we're going to share with you some of the expenses that you will have if you choose to create inside or outsource your fee-based program. Well, some of your expenses will include a program director. This will be somebody, and it can be the same person who creates the program, but somebody who oversees the entire program. You need somebody to pay attention to the marketing, hire your trainers, and make sure that the programming is working for you and your facility. You're also going to need a programmer. So this would be somebody who's actually going to create the workouts. You're looking between 120 and 150 different workouts a year. They have to be unique. They have to be based in science. And also someone who can create the value, infuse the value, whatever you choose that to be within your program, so that your members will see the value and will pay for it. And then lastly, you have to have the resources to pay your trainers. So you want to make sure that you have great trainers on board, your PD can get them trained, and then you need to look at that payroll. And lastly, you have to have consistency and continuity. So for instance, if a member comes in and takes, say you are offering a kids program, and they take the kids program at 10 a.m. in the summer and then at 7 p.m. in the summer, you have to make sure that the program is exactly the same so that your members all receive the same experience around your fee-based program. That's going to generate and create amazing word of mouth. They're going to bring people in. It's going to generate results and really generate excitement within your facility. So, Joe, those are the questions you need to ask yourself. Pull your team together, have a meeting. If you have the resources to create everything that we shared and implement, then you do that. If you don't, you might want to consider outsourcing your fee-based programming. If you decide to outsource, head to our website at VicteliB.com. All of our programs are on there. Check out which one would work best for you. Also, if you have a question around the business around fitness, comment below or send us an email and you might see it on our next VicteliB TV. And lastly, hit subscribe and stay tuned for more upcoming tips around the business around fitness. Hooah! Where you're going to find your, what? So if you, leave us your question. If you have around the business of fitness, is that it? Hit subscribe. And what?